Once upon a bright and sunny day in our lovely town, something strange happened. The bees vanished. Oh dear! Without the bees, the flowers looked sad, and the juicy fruits felt a bit lonely. Super Ryan, with his super-duper powers and a shiny cape, gathered all the kids for an exciting adventure to uncover the mystery of the missing bees. They searched high and low, peeking under rocks and behind bushes, but the bees were nowhere to be found. "Where did our buzzy buddies go?" wondered Super Ryan, scratching his head. Then they found a clue, a trail of sweet honey leading into the forest. "Come on, everyone!" shouted Super Ryan, leading the way with his speedy superhero steps. Into the forest they went, jumping over logs and ducking under branches. Finally, they stumbled upon a sunny clearing filled with beautiful flowers. But wait, where were the bees? Just then, they heard a soft buzzing sound coming from behind a big bush. Super Ryan tiptoed closer, followed by the curious kids, and what did they see? A playful bear named Bashful Benny was knocking over flowers and making a mess. "Stop that, Benny!" called out Super Ryan, wagging his finger. "You're making the bees sad." Bashful Benny grumbled and pouted, but Super Ryan had an idea. With a big smile, he said, "Let's make friends with the bees and help them find a new home." With Benny's help, they gently moved the flowers to a safe place where the bees could buzz happily. "Thank you, Super Ryan," buzzed the bees, flying around him in circles. Back in town, Super Ryan and the kids planted a special garden just for the bees, with lots of colourful flowers and tasty fruits. They learned that bees are important because they help the flowers grow big and the fruits grow juicy. And so, the mystery of the missing bees was solved, all thanks to Super Ryan and his amazing friends. With a cheer and a buzz, they promised to always take care of the bees and protect their buzzing buddies. The end, with lots of happy buzzing.